Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Compass versus the Thar. We'll dive into their key differences, helping you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Compass excels in comfort and on-road performance, while the Thar is built for adventure off the beaten path. Let's explore their unique strengths and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the Jeep Compass often provides a smoother, more car-like driving experience, ideal for daily commutes and highway cruising. Its engine delivers consistent power. The Thar, on the other hand, is engineered for tough terrains, boasting robust engines and a capable four-wheel drive system. It's designed to conquer challenging landscapes with ease, making it a true off-road champion. Inside, the Jeep Compass offers a more premium and feature-rich cabin, with advanced infotainment systems and comfortable seating, perfect for longer journeys. You'll find modern amenities and a refined finish. The Mahindra Thar provides a more utilitarian interior, prioritizing durability and ease of cleaning, which is essential for its adventurous spirit. It focuses on practicality over luxury, ready for any adventure. Considering value, the Jeep Compass typically comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its premium features and on-road refinement. It's an investment in comfort and technology. The Mahindra Thar offers a more accessible entry point, providing excellent off-road capability for its cost. It's a fantastic option for adventure seekers on a budget. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize urban comfort or rugged exploration. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.